Hi everyone, welcome to I Learn SAP with Venu YouTube channel. I am your host Venu Gopal. As part of today's session, let us understand and deep dive on what exactly is SAP System Owner ID and its importance in BW on HANA system. As most of you are aware, as a SAP consultant, we might have got an opportunity to work on various versions of SAP, be it in SAP BW 3.x or BW Anana. If at all you are a technical user, you might have gotten chance to work on SAP ECC 6.0 or earlier version of ECC 6.0. It is SAP R3 4.6c, right? Each of those user, right, when SAP basis team is configuring the system, they will give a this particular SAP system owner ID. Okay, as a BW on HANA consultant, we might have to work on some hybrid scenarios such as consuming your BW objects in HANA level or HANA objects in BW level. For example, HANA calculation view can be consumed in your composite provider so that the output of your HANA calculation view is made available at your BW layer, right? Likewise, if at all you wanted to consume the advanced DSO which might be there in your BW layer, right? In HANA level, we might have to use some mechanism, meaning obviously an advanced DSO will have uh, a active data table associated with it. If there is a possibility for us to access this active data table at HANA layer, we can consume this BW data even in our HANA modeling also. So let us understand where can we find out this SAP system owner ID in your BW system. At the same time, what exactly is importance. Okay, come on guys, let us start today's session. I am logging into my BW Anana system using SAP GUI login pad. Double click on your entry and use your credentials. Okay. So once you log into your SAP BW Anana system, go to RSA1. You all know where we can find our advanced objects or the modeled objects. So for example, I have an ADSO called ZVTBA01, right? ZVTB-A01 is an ADSO, and this ADSO might have been loaded via some data source. Okay, when we load the data, generally what will happen? The data will get loaded to the ADSO's active data table based on the type of ADSO. If it is a standard ADSO, first it will go to the inbound table or new data table. After that, you will have to activate the request. Once the activation happens, the data will go and sit in your active data table. So assume that you wanted to consume that active data table data in your HANA level. So how can we find that active data table at HANA level? When we say our BW on HANA, obviously my BW's backend system is what? HANA database, correct? So obviously I will be able to find out this particular table in a HANA database level. For that, I need to log into my HANA Studio and you have to log in your HANA modeler or developer perspective. So expand that. What system I am logging in here right now, right? It's actually a BW's backend HANA system. Okay. So obviously I will have to make use of HANA Studio or Eclipse tool. So now if you go to catalog, you already know what exactly is a catalog. Catalog is something where you will be able to find out schemas. Under schema, you will be able to see a table. So if you remember what is the system owner of our current system ID, if you see the current system owner of this particular BW on our system is, go back to your SAP GUI login pad from the options menu, systems, status. Here you will be able to find out your owner name SAP ABAP 1. Okay, there will be a schema created in your HANA Studio with that. Okay, SAP ABAP 1. As you see over here, there's a schema called SAP ABAP 1. This is the exact same name as our system owner, correct? If I go back to system and status, see the system owner name is SAP ABAP 1. Okay, so SAP ABAP 1 is the system owner ID. At the same time, in the backend HANA database level, there's a schema which is automatically got created. All our BW tables or any tables, any application table or technical table which you see from SC16, can be found in this particular schema. Obviously, what are the tables you can find in SC16? Any standard tables delivered by SAP. At the same time, whenever you create a BW object such as data source will also have a PSA table, correct? Likewise, you will also have an advanced DSO. Advanced DSO will have various types of tables such as inbound table, or we also call as new data table, and also active data table, correct? So all those can be found over here. For example, we were focusing on one of the ADSO, correct? This ADSO will have a table which is an active data table, correct? Slash BIC slash A, ADSO technical name 2. This would be an active data table and it has some data. So now where can I find out this table in your HANA database level? For example, a HANA native HANA consultant, or even if you are aware of native HANA modeling and you wanted to consume content of this particular table, which you can find in SC16 at BW layer. How can I find that to consume at HANA layer? First thing is, you already know there will be a schema created in the back end with a SAP system owner ID, which is BW on HANA system owner ID. Here go to tables. When you try to expand, right, this particular schema will have all the tables of your BW system, correct? So let us try to filter the table what we wanted to have. Filter, search for your table name, or you can give a pattern, click on OK. When you click on OK, it takes a time. See over here, we could able to find out the exact same table what we see in our SC16. Got it, guys? Here you are able to see the content. The same content we can also see in the backend HANA Studio. You can right click and do the data preview. Got it, guys? So like this, you will be able to consume any BW tables, whether it can be a standard table or table which got generated when you create any BW objects. You will be able to find out that under SAP ABAP 1 schema. Okay, hopefully as part of this video, you guys have understood how can you find out system owner ID of your BW on HANA system and its importance. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. At the same time, you can also share this video information with all your team members and friends who are aspiring to become expert in BW on HANA. At the same time, if at all you are looking for any specific topic video from my side, you can share that content information or the topic information in the comment section of this particular video, so that I will take that as a priority and create a video for you. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.